Good morning, students. In last class, we studied about the population structure and the components of the population structure. The components of the population structure: number one is age structure, second is sex ratio, number third is population composition, number four literacy, and number four literacy, and number five occupational structure. In last class we studied about the age structure, and now in this class here the new topic is sex ratio. What is sex ratio? Ratio between number of females and number of males, and it is expressed, it is calculated per thousand, is called sex ratio. It's called sex ratio. So what is the definition of the sex ratio? Ratio between the number of females and the number of males, calculated in per thousand. That is called, calculated per thousand is called sex ratio. It's called sex ratio. Clear? Here two patterns to calculate the sex ratio. First, here the number of females divided by number of males. Number of females divided by number of males. Multiply 1000. This sex ratio pattern used in India and these countries where the males population is maximum. Male population is high than female population. Male population is high than female population, and the number of females divided by number of males multiply 1000. Then here considered, here is result 950. तो 950 females per thousand males. क्या कहेंगे हम? 950 females per thousand males ऐसे बोलेंगे ना, नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स पर थाउजेंड मेल्स. इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? 950. जो हमारे पास आंसर आ रहा है, जैसे इंडिया का कितना है 940 या 943, तो 943 इंडिया का जो सेक्स रेशियो कितना होगा? 943 फीमेल्स पर थाउजेंड मेल. 943 फीमेल्स पर थाउजेंड मेल. Clear? Or here the second pattern of the sex ratio. Here number of males divided by number of females multiply 1000. Number of males per thousand females calculated in it. Number of, like here the 1050, तो 1000 males per thousand females. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, जहाँ पे females का रेशियो हाई होता है, females की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो हाई है, where this country here use this pattern, and the male population is high, then these countries use this pattern here. ठीक है, जो मैक्सिमम होगा वो क्या होगा? लोअर साइड होगा. जैसे इंडिया में क्या होगा, मेल हाई है, मेल पॉपुलेशन हाई है, तो इसको लोअर साइड में रखेंगे. ठीक है, एंड हियर द फीमेल हाई, देन हियर द फीमेल इन लोअर साइड. क्लियर? हियर द definition of the sex ratio. Definition of sex ratio between number of females and the number of males calculated in per thousand, that is called that is called sex ratio. And what was the reasons? What reasons then sex ratio is decreasing in some countries, developed countries and the underdeveloped countries and developing countries. The main reason is gender discrimination, female foeticide, female infant. जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, जो क्या क्या आता है, मेल को बेटर समझा जाता है देन फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड करने का जो फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड, फीमेल इन्फेंटिसाइड्स, फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड्स कन्या भ्रूण हत्या करना और कन्या का वध करना. ठीक है ना. फीमेल इन्फेंटिसाइड्स, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस टुवर्ड्स द फीमेल्स, एंड द मैटरनल मोर्टेलिटी. देन हियर द maternal mortality also. All these are the reason. Then sex ratio decreasing day by day in underdeveloped countries and the developing countries. Clear? All these are the major causes to adverse ratio in the world. All these are the major, here the causes to adverse sex ratio in the world. वर्ल्ड में एडवर्स सेक्स रेशियो के लिए जो रीजन है, ठीक है, रेस्पॉन्सिबल फैक्टर है, वो ये वाले हैं. आपको 1 लाइन का जब 20 वर्ड का क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखना होगा, व्हाट वाज द एडवर्स फैक्टर्स to decrease your adverse factors for sex ratio, then we can mention here gender discrimination, female foeticide, female infanticide, domestic violence, and the maternal mortality rate. The world sex ratio is 983 according to census 2015. According to digit 2015, the world sex ratio 983, and the Asia sex ratio 964, and the Europe sex ratio 1055. So low sex ratio found in the Asia. We can say 964 females per thousand in Asia, and the Europe 1055 males per thousand female, and world sex ratio 983 females per thousand male.